Namaste. In this video, we are going to simplify this problem if given 1 upon square root 2 to the power x plus 1 upon square root 2 to the power x plus 2 plus 1 upon square root 2 to the power x plus 4 is equal to 14. Then find the value of x. This question is very easy if you know exponent rules. 1 upon square root 2 to the power x plus 1 upon square root 2 to the power x plus 2. Here power is x plus 2, and here 1 upon square root 2 to the power x plus 4 is equal to 14. We know that if a to the power m plus n, so we can write a to the power m multiply a to the power n. This one we can write as it is 1 upon square root 2 to the power x. Here we can apply this exponent property. 1 upon square root, we can write 2 to the power x multiply 2 to the power 2. Here same exponent law we apply. Square root 2 to the power x multiply 2 to the power 4 is equal to 14. Now 1 upon square root 2 to the power x plus this one, here 2 square and here square root. So when this come out here we get 2. Okay, and this one we can write as it is square root 2 to the power x plus this is here in the square root, here 2 to the power 4. So when this come out we get 2 square, and inside here 2 to the power x is equal to 14. Now you can see here this square root 2 to the power x, here also we can take common. Here 1 upon square root 2 to the power x. So here left 1, here left 1 upon 2, and here left 1 upon 2 square. What is 2 square? 2 square we can write 4 is equal to 14. In this parenthesis, here this is fraction, so when we add or subtract fractions, we have to make same denominator. So here what is the least common multiple of 2 and 4 is 4, so we have to make denominator 4. Here already 4, here we have to make 4, so we should multiply by 2. 2 times 2 4, and here 1, so we have to multiply by 4. Okay, now we can easily simplify. 1 upon square root 2 to the power x, this is 4 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Now same denominator, so we can easily add a numerator. 1 upon square root 2 to the power x. So here 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 4 is equal to 14. Both sides multiply by 4 upon 7. Here 4 upon 7. So 1 upon square root 2 to the power x, 7 cancelled with 7, 4 cancelled with 4, we get 1. And here 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 14. 2 times 4, 8. We can write, this is, we can write square root 2 to the power x is equal to 1 upon 8. Okay. this denominator we can multiply this side, and 8 here multiply, so other side divide. Okay, like that. So square root, this is 2 not z. Okay, square root 2 to the power x is equal to, here 8 we can write 2 to the power 3. Yeah, and square root 2 to the power x. Here we can apply exponent property here in denominator 2 to the power 3. When we write in the numerator, so it will be negative. We use here this exponent law, a to the power negative m. Okay. Now we want to remove this square root. So both side taking square root and square cancel 2 to the power x, and here power to the power multiply. So minus 3 multiply to minus 6. Here we applied a to the power m to the power n. So multiply m multiply n. Here base are same, so power are also equal. So x is equal to minus 6 is the answer. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.